coming up, he's 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 coming up. It's there.
Hello guys,
Hello everyone.
and this is our first
Episode of the
Ratchet and Clank 3
game.
Yes, it's called Up Your Arsenal.
Also.
And what was the first level? I don't remember.
It's planet Veldin.
Oh,
It's the name
yes.
of the planet. And it starts over there.
Yes.
And now you have to press the start button.
Yes, and we do a new game. And what we should do our...
Put it on the Starship phone.
This.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, maybe I put it here.
Yeah.
Override. Yes.
Yes.
My Blargian Snagglebeast devours your mutant swamp fly. Oh yeah, I bet you didn't see that one coming. Hey, what are you doing? Check and mate. What? That's cheating!
On the contrary, the rules clearly state that the Blargian Snagglebeast has an allergic reaction to swamp flies that last 2 turns. Ooh, it is on again.
Your luck is extraordinary, sir. But do you lose as gracefully as you will?
I would not know, Maximilian. I never lose.
There is a first time for everything. Agent Clank! You missed! So much for the famous secret agent.
Shocking. Bring the car around, Jeeves. And mind the ejector seat this time.
Stay tuned for more Secret Agent Clank.
That was terrific.
Yeah, great. Change the channel.
But the man said to stay tuned.
We continue our live coverage from Veldin. Just hours ago, the planet was attacked without warning by a terrifying alien race known as the Tyrannoids. Officials believe that an evil robotic supervillain known as Dr. Nefarious is the mastermind behind the Tyrannoid attack. As you can see, the Galactic Rangers are putting up a valiant fight, but they are no match for these tentacle-eyed terrors. Indeed, this backwater planet may be completely destroyed in a matter of hours. Donald Gratch, Channel 64 News.
We're going home. But Veldin is in the Solana Galaxy. Oh no, not the gravimetric warp drive. The untested gravimetric warp drive? The one you built from Blargian scrap metal? Coming? We are doomed.
You were saying?
I stand corrected.
I just hope we're not not too late.
Okay, and the next planet is called Planet Veldin, I suppose. We have to save that planet from what was the called?
Tyrannoids.
Yes,
Those tentacled-eyed aliens.
yes. Okay.
Client 91802, and welcome back to the Solana Galaxy.
Thank you.
Ratchet doesn't have a name.
These must be the Galactic Rangers.
Hey, look! It's a new sergeant!
Huh?
Here, Sarge, you can have my gun. There's too many of them! We're all gonna die!
Press circle to fire your shock blaster.
Okay. This is one of my favorite weapons in this game.
Yes.
It's so cool.
And there's some ammo.
Yeah. And as you can see, you can upgrade this
Yes.
weapon when you have killed enough Tyrannoids.
Yes.
Am I glad to see you, Sarge? We're pinned down by that enemy vehicle. Somebody's gotta take it out.
Let me guess. That somebody is me.
We got a volunteer. Here, Sarge, take this. We'll cover you. From back there.
Try using the nitro launcher against that vehicle.
Oh. Oh. There's some health.
To select weapons, hold triangle and select an icon with the left analog stick.
Yeah.
Hold L1 to precisely target your weapon.
Oh. That made a mess. And this is actually a pretty good game, because the graphics are just awesome.
And it is... it isn't boring. Like, this game isn't boring at all.
It has so much action.
Use the nitro blast. Okay.